Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad you found me. My name is Tina and I live in beautiful Nova Scotia, Canada. And to all of my friends returning, hello. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's so hard to believe that summer is over and we are almost over and we are already into September. I don't know where the time goes. But you guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to share a demonstration with you of a cute little project. It's just too sweet not to share with you guys. But while I'm demonstrating it, I'm going to share some important news with you because I'll just tell you right now, after 23 years of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I've decided to step down and start a new chapter. So I'm going to fill you in on all of the details and what I'm going to be doing moving forward. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. This channel is not going anywhere. So while it has been a super bittersweet decision for me to make, and it has not been an easy one, it has not. It has actually taken me a couple years to actually get to this point. But I really do feel like it is the right decision and that it's also the right time. Okay, so there it is. If you guys are just stopping by just to get the scoop, there it is in a nutshell. So if you're not interested in the demonstration that I'm going to share with you guys, or you know what I've got planned and what I've got in store, you can carry on. But I think a lot of you who are part of my amazing community are probably going to stick around to hear what I've got up my sleeve, because I'm very, very excited. And I'm also looking forward to stamping and sharing this cute project with you. Okay, so let's get into it. When I started planning this video, I knew I wanted the project to be something truly special and something that really reflected the 23 incredible years that I've spent with Stampin' Up! And over the past couple of weeks, I've gone through years and years worth of projects and cards I've created. And wow, that was such a trip down memory lane. I found scrapbooking pages from my very first workshop back in 2002, mementos from conventions and incentive trips, which, by the way, once upon a time I never would have believed I would have earned, projects from my classes, and some of the very first cards I ever shared on my Serene Stamper blog and here on my Serene Stamper channel. There were retired products that I still have and still love, 3D pieces and gifts that I'd forgotten about, and so many designs that brought back wonderful memories. And as I looked through all those pieces of my past, I realized that choosing the right project for this video was really important to me. I didn't want to just make something pretty. I wanted this project to tell a story, and I wanted it to capture the heart of this journey and symbolize what these 23 years have meant. And that's exactly why I ended up choosing this particular card design. This one card that's always held a special place in my heart is my High Tide Lighthouse card. It's been 8 years since I made these lighthouse cards, but to me, they symbolize so much more than just stamps and ink. To me, the lighthouse represents creativity and guidance, hope, and a light shining through every chapter of this journey. And as I thought about how to close this chapter of my Stampin' Up! Story, I knew I wanted to honor that card, but also to reimagine it in a way that reflects where I am now. The technique is the same as how I created my High Tide card, but this time I'm using a mix of current favorites and some old classics, including tools I haven't touched in years. It's a simple card with soft ink blending, a bit of masking, a heat embossed sentiment, and a whole lot of heart. And as I'm creating the background on my card, I was reminded of how this creative journey has shaped me and changed my whole life. And for the featured stamp, I brought in Peaceful View because this is not only one of my favorite current stamp sets with Stampin' Up, but the tree symbolizes so much to me, as well as the lighthouse. To me, trees symbolize growth, creative and personal, and the deep roots that I've planted through this incredible community. And of course, the sun in the horizon is a symbol of hope and possibility and exciting new adventures still to come. It's a visual reminder that while one path may end, a new one always begins. And that warm glow ties it all together. And for me, it's always going to be a reminder that creativity, like friendship, always finds a way to shine. So let me reassure you, I'm not leaving the crafting world. My Serene Stamper channel and community are such a huge passion of mine, and I have so many exciting plans. I can't wait to share them with you in the coming weeks. You're still going to see tutorials, techniques, fun folds, all the creative inspiration you've come to expect, and I have so many fun things in store. Now, most of my stash is still Stampin' Up, so you'll keep seeing plenty of those products. Some will be retired, some will be current, but I'm also going to be pulling in supplies from other companies, maybe even from the dollar store, because I know at the end of the day, we're all watching our budgets. And to me, crafting should always be about joy, not pressure or expense or stress. That's what I want to keep encouraging. Finding joy in creating, using what you have, and making something simple that brings happiness. So as I'm working here on the inside layer for my card, I was trying to think about which sentiment I wanted to use on this card, because this card is also a bit of a token of my love for each of you. And so I pulled out a retired stamp set that had the sentiments, "Life's a beautiful journey" for the front. And then on the inside, I stamped, "Thank you for being a part of mine." Because truly you are, each and every one of you. You've been a part of every milestone, every memory, every chapter of my life as a demonstrator, and quite a bit as a personal friend as well, with the ups and downs of life. And I am so incredibly blessed that something as simple as a stamp brought you into my world. You all mean so much to me. You have no idea. And even though my chapter as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is coming to a close, I'm still going to be here on this channel sharing everything you love and hoping that my projects are going to continue to spark your imagination and keep you inspired. But that is just the beginning, my friends. Next week, I'm going to share more about my exciting new chapter ahead, including my new brand, my new products, and my additional YouTube channel. And I'm really excited about it. And if you love creativity in all its forms, from stamping to cooking and slow and serene living, hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, and glimpses of our simple life here in beautiful Nova Scotia, then I think you're really going to love what's coming. As I finish my card, I just want to take a moment to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Whether you've been stamping with me since 2002 or if you've just discovered my channel recently, your support and encouragement and friendship have truly meant the world to me. So again, this isn't goodbye. I'm still going to be here sharing projects and inspiration. They just might look a little different moving forward, but my passion for creativity and for this amazing community will always stay the same. And speaking of memories, next week I'm going to share a bit of a time capsule video where I'm going to show you some of those first ever scrapbook pages and cards and fun photos that I was telling you about earlier, because I think you're going to love it. And I can't wait to take a little walk down memory lane with you. Speaking of memory lane, I couldn't resist pulling out this next stamp set. So from my heart to yours, thank you so much for 23 amazing, creative, joy-filled years. And I truly believe that the best is still to come. And I hope you'll join me for all the exciting things ahead. And I can't wait to share more details with you. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you'll be notified whenever I share a new video, which the next one is coming to you next week. So until then, my friends, take care and happy stamping.